Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Welcome back my channel. In this video, I present to you garden decoration ideas. So first of all, hanging flower baskets are perfect for small gardens as they add color and gardener greenery to your garden or deck without taking up ground space. You can take advantage of overhead space and add fun details to your garden with colorful and stylish hanging plant basket. And ladder may have been invented to give you step up, but they also serve as rustic plant shelves, stuck terracotta pots filled with heads and flowers on the step of an old ladders for an easy and cheap means to vertical space. Colorful pot and bird house container gardening doesn't have to be a boring here of painted birdhouses and DIY planters. Echo the colors of the flowers to create one gorgeous display.